All right, so today I've got to get my oxygen acetylene hose on my ALUMA reel. We've got some brand new Continental 1/4-inch hose. Got some quick connects. All are gonna go on my brand new ALUMA reels. So I'll give you guys a walk around when I'm done, and I'll put a little bit of the video of me putting it all together and how much of a pain in the ass it ends up being, because it always is. But all right, I'll see you soon. Okay, what I've got going on here is I mounted the handle. I think it's solid. Got the gas block all done up nice and secure. These ALUMA REEL gas blocks are like impressive. I mean, absolutely crazy, the quality that goes into these things. But next is to get all of this on there. So, all right, stay tuned. Alright, what's up everyone? Got everything done. Got my hose on the reel. Got a fucking freeway in front of my house today apparently. Just a couple cars going by. It never fails. I've filmed this twice already and I keep fucking up the video. Anyways, got these on. Hopefully you can see them. I'll show you how they work real quick. I'll grab the bigger barrel torch with the newer ones on. Okay, black to black, orange to orange. There we go. There it is. All right, see how easy that is? If I want to jump out onto a different torch, I've got these quick connects on all of my torches. Boom. Boom. There it is. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks.